Hey guys, this is how to get spreadsheet from Google Form. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your form. So click on it. And after that, once you are in your form, guys, just simply go for the responses over here at the middle. And now, once you are here on the responses, just simply click on these three dots over here. And now from here, just simply go for select destination for responses. And after that, guys, you will have two options. You can either create a new spreadsheet or just simply select a existing spreadsheet. So in my case, I will create a new spreadsheet. And from here, let's say I'm going to title this as test one. And from here, just simply click on create. And after that, once you have done that, just simply go to your Google spreadsheet. And now just simply go for this sheets home, the top left over here. And now, as you can see, this is the spreadsheet that we just created from the Google Forms. Just simply click on it. And guys, automatically it will be a sync. And when there is a responses, you should be able to have it in here. And since we don't have it yet, there are not showing. But if you do, you should be able to have it in here. And there you go. See ya.